Okay guys, the ice cream truck is here. It's finally time to return to the ice cream truck parts. Hi. Good.
Are you trying to see what
Yeah.
what do you want?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one?
Can I get the let's see. I don't know what to choose. Can I get the big vanilla?
Which one?
Yeah. Thank you. How much?
These are.
Okay.
And what do you want else?
Do you still have the bubblegum cigarettes?
No bubble gum.
Oh. How much are the lifesavers?
Lifesaver? We are there.
These ones? How much are they?
Anything else?
That's it.
Every day I come to you. Every day for you I come.
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
my good customer.
Yes.
I like you.
Thank you.
Do you like me?
Yes. Okay. Thank you. And off he's good. Off he's gone. Sorry about that. And there he goes. And that's the official return of ice cream truck parts. So stay tuned for more of these videos, because next one I'm going to be featuring my cousin Joseph in it. So stay tuned for that. Alright, see you guys later. Goodbye.